The HydroPort PWC docking platforms are designed to maintain your personal watercraft while not in use. They also provide for stable access, easy cleaning, fast covering, and deter intake fouling associated with marine growth, and protect your personal watercraft against rough waters. Distinctive features include exclusive dual inline rollers, universal hull support, a patented air pillow bow bumper that provides a soft rest for the keel, and the ability to front or side mount for both fixed and floating docks. The HP Extreme is the easiest load and launch of any PWC docking platform on the market. Your PWC will be fully roller supported, utilizing high-performance rollers, adjustable to any craft. The platform is made from ultra-tough polyethylene plastic and is foam-filled with EPS marine foam for increased strength and leak elimination. Docking your PWC is as easy as driving onto dock and rolling off to launch. Protect your investment with the best PWC platform in the industry, the HydroPort Extreme by HydroHoist.